Beishan, ba 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 Beishan, oh Beishan, oh 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 oh. Just looking around, I'm Zhuhai bound. What do we got to see? Come follow me. Little tiny village called Beishan, enveloped by the greater Zhuhai. Just on the other side from Macau. Hey, 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 ba, 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 Beishan. Just looking around, I'm Zhuhai bound. What do we got to see? Come follow me. Take me, take me, take me, take me, take me to Beishan. Show me, show me, show me Beishan. Let me see, let me see, let me see Beishan. Just looking around, I'm Zhuhai bound. What do we got to see? Come follow me. Take me, take me, take me, take me to Beishan. Show me, show me, show me Beishan. Let me see, let me see, let me see Beishan. Just looking around, I'm Zhuhai bound. What do we got to see? Come follow me.
Okay, so we're going to be starting this one in this little space with all these people here. So we're going to be meandering down this way. I'm just kind of exploring up and down. And we'll just meander about in this Beishan Village and kind of give you an idea of what it's all about. A lot of different stuff to see in here. So we're going to be exploring all of this. So stay tuned for that. Okay, another site of Zhuhai, Bishan Village, not too far from Macau. Kind of a cool, trendy, hip area. Let's put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And let's just get right into it as if you were there yourself. Okay, so this is going to be our Bishan Village. This is number 3, so at the end of the video I'll connect the last 2 that I did so you can go back and see what those look like. And we're kind of giving an idea of the Bishan Village. This one's kind of filled with all these hearts. He's checking out the camera to see what it looks like from behind. I'll turn back around and I'll say hi. That's kind of cool. I kind of do want to see what's down at the end of the street as well, but I also want to go all the way down here as well. Let's go back down because there's a lot to see, and this is kind of more the area that we want to go to. Where did that guy go? There he is. Hey. He was curious what I was doing. So we're gonna kind of walk into this real quick. I just want to see. Oh, that looks really cool. Up there you can see some Kadichisi stuff up there. Okay, so we're gonna meander around a little bit. I'm gonna go this way for a moment. There's a lot of different stuff you can capture in here. But I think I'm gonna meander, kind of want to capture all four of these alleys a little bit. And then we're gonna go down to where maybe more of the bulk is at. That looks pretty cool though, right there. So let's meander down a little bit in this direction. Huh, look at this. It's like a little bazaar and there's more stuff in here. You know what, I should explore and see. I was gonna kind of meander down the other area because I know it's kind of the main spot. But this is kind of interesting. It's all like chicken rice. It looks like it goes up into different areas as well. Huh. Let's just kind of explore and meander about and see what we can find. No harm in that. Oh, that looks kind of cool too. Huh. There's a whole little space in here. Okay, so now we're gonna kind of walk through a whole little complex of restaurants. And now we're out at another area. This is an area I haven't been to before. Huh. This kind of reminds me of Macau's architecture a little bit. Specialty art cafe. Another bar, another cafe. Okay, so now we have another one of these as well. Let me just kind of capture this a little bit. This is a museum. Art thinking aesthetics. Wouldn't mind seeing that, but we're gonna go. Oh, that looks pretty cool too. There's so much cool stuff. I love Zhuhai. More stuff this way too. Let's see. Yes. Take a picture for you. Sure. Yeah. Just gonna take a picture of me?
Stay here. Stay here. Yes. One, two, three. Okay.
You're welcome. Nice photo.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Nice video.
Yeah. The GoPro.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Have a nice day.
Thank you, you too. Okay, so we're gonna meander through a little bit. That's a good photo. I think I captured that on film, okay? It's a good camera. Okay, so we're gonna have to move a little bit past a little bit. Try to meander. Let's see if I can get past here. There we go. This will be kind of shaky in here, so I want to get past it because I'm walking kind of fast and it's a little bit dark. But we're gonna get up to some more interesting stuff in a minute. Here's a nice octopus. So we'll slow down so that I can capture things properly right in here. Let's kind of meander this way. Okay, let's keep on going up. Okay, let's go up this way. I don't know if this is the best way to go, but I think it doesn't really matter. I kind of want to go more this way actually, because we're going to go around to where this kind of like the center square is at. There's old homes. Okay, so we're gonna meander down. The lighting is not so good, so you have to kind of bear with me. It's getting a little bit too dark for the camera, but I'm just gonna go with it anyways. If it shakes temporarily, just it's not permanent. It's just the change in lighting when I go in those dark alleys like that. But we're gonna come up to this space and it'll be different. Okay, so this whole area is more like fruits and vegetables, and it's more like the old style. And then as soon as you see these signs right here, this is kind of where the gentrification begins. And then it gets really trendy, in my observation. Lots of different areas I can go down in here. Oh. French haircut, $13. Okay. So we're gonna keep on meandering down. Give you a little taste of Beishan Village. Definitely go down these little alleys for sure. Tea house. Different stuff up there. Okay. This is kind of a cool 1 year. Okay, so we're going to be coming to an end here in a moment. Okay. Bakery. Okay. So we're going to come to an end for this video. The music might affect the video as well, so. It's pretty cool.